How's it, my brothers and friends? Jasper joins us again.
We're back at it post-crash. Never happened.
I'll show you guys the bike in a little bit, but it's fully fixed up. You got a brand new rim, a new shock tower, I think shock.
And a new lesson.
And a new lesson, yeah. And we're on the beach here in Hoi An. Oh, is that like a castle?
Let's go closer to the castle.
But
Back to the castle.
found some sand. Let's go. All right, so we got Jasper's bike. Brand new rim, right? Different color. The last one was red. And fuck, I don't have videos of the old struts.
For context, this was completely off from the handlebars. It was terrible to ride.
Yeah.
Now it's like only mildly so, you know? It's like
Yeah.
it's just enough to be off, but like mostly fine.
The last time, this entire strut right here, it wasn't straight. It was bent like from here inward. It was completely fucked.
Tragic.
Tragic indeed.
Terrible first crash to have, you know?
So we are at the mechanic. I forgot to video the repairs I got done on my bike, but the rack on the back was all bust. It was basically broken. I can kind of throw in a video right now, actually. So as you can see, the rack is completely just broken. But I took it to Hui's Automotive, and he welded it for, it was about $6-7. And the best part about this mechanic shop is that they have a pig and a doggy. Look at this pig, man. Look at this cat. We got a shop dog and a shop cat. But that was on New Year's Eve when we got that figured out. But now Gabby's having issues because her bike tire, the little nipple, was not holding air, so she's getting a new tire. But yeah, as far as my bike, oh, Kyle got a new headlight as well. But the rack is now stable. So instead of hitting my God, I can't speak. When I'd go over bumps, my bag would hit me in the back, and I was like, what is going on? So I looked at it and it was broken, as you saw in the video. So we got that figured out at Hui's mechanic shop. This guy's an absolute homie. If anyone's ever in Hoi An, take your bike here. The guy's super cool, and you get to pet the shop cat and the shop dog. So look at this guy. Look at this guy just cruising on the fucking Buffalo. Well, we're in Da Nang. A lot of people say it's like Miami. It's very open here. Gotta be that like where the fuck Kyle went. Alright, we're back on the grabs. There's Kyle. Some guy said that there's no police here, and they charged him $500K, or else they were gonna take his bike. So he decided for the 1 or 2 days to just gonna drive around and see. We made it to the Pagoda Temple now. Looking pretty mean. We made it to Rady Buddha. Kyle, you see it? Now, we need to take a picture of the three of us because we don't take pictures together. So we're gonna ask somebody Like, somebody take one picture of me. Of us.
See
How's
the
it,
bus?
brothers and friends? You already know we got the salt coffee, my brothers. The salt Vietnamese coffee. Right. Tua coffee. Casual. Yeah, sure. I already started eating. Came to Un Mam Banon. We got these noodles with pork. We got an extra portion. Oh goodness. But they are on the Michelin star. Jasper's back joining us again.
We're back.
Let's just go.
I'm right back to Hoi An because I left my charger there.
We're at the night market and why does my nose look red? We're at the night market and there is a big ass dragon thing on this bridge, and at 9 o'clock it's supposed to like shoot fire or something like that. So this is what it looks like. Everyone got their camera out. See if it even happens while I'm filming. What time is it? What time is it? Shoot me apart. Naturally, we got beers. I'll probably just throw in a video of my phone. Oh, is it going? Oh. Whoa. I thought it was a lot bigger than that. Got all kinds of stuff, bro. Oh, not the taco on the stick, bro. Get one cheeky leg. Oh, that pork belly actually looks pretty nuts. How's it, my brothers and friends? We stay riding to Hue. We said, fuck Da Nang. We're just on our way out of here. We just got some Viet burrito and now we are gonna head over there. It's about a 3-hour ride. I don't know if it's gonna look super sick or anything, but I guess we'll see. Kidding, man.
Alright, we are on the Hai Van Pass on the way to Hue. It looks like it's heavily under construction. So, honestly, it shouldn't be like all that cool or anything. And I have to take my time because there's hella gravel. So, I don't know if this way section is going to be like an actual video or anything. It might just be like the ending clip of Hoi An Da Nang video. So, I guess we will see. Kind of fun though.
We stopped at this lookout at Hai Van Pass. It's like some really cool castle looking thing. Little lookout. before we hit the Hue. There's hella tourists here, but.
Ah, too bad it's wet. Switchbacks are cool. I unfortunately am a complete amateur, and I'm not taking any chances. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. Only the 40 viewers that we have. Hello, 40 viewers. My name is Cody McDolo. Old Poly Road. Those people weren't very wet. People wet. Debating about pulling over and putting on a poncho. But we're kind of playing it by feel. It doesn't dry. Beautiful. Woo! Yo! Say hello. I wanted you guys to keep writing.
We made them we made it to Hue. I got one Vietnamese white coffee. Kyle's Asian squad. We're at this one place. What is this called? Lydia's Concept, I think. Lydia's Concept?
I have no idea.
Kyle, you mapped it.
La Vie Concept.
Lovey's Concept.
It's
Let's
more
try
than
'em out.
coffee.
We're so close.
We're here. We're in
I
Hue.
feel the Vina house.
Yeah, we're in Hue, so we just gotta.
Kaden, my brothers and friends. We made it to Hue or who? Okay, I probably shouldn't put that in because it's insensitive. We made it to the previous capital Hue, and our homestay is on a not being used rice paddy patch. But oh, look at all these bugs, bruh. Mental. We are gonna go get some food. But shooties cuties.